Hello, world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card. Overview. A co-branded hotel credit card that rewards you for your loyalty can be a good addition to your wallet, whether you travel frequently for work or pleasure. The Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card is a good option for customers looking for premium travel perks at Marriott properties, as well as a competitive rewards program. Because of the generous hotel benefits, Marriott offers several loyalty reward credit cards, but this one makes my top picks for best hotel credit cards. Now note, this card entails an excellent credit score of 800 to 850 to be approved. If you frequently stay at Marriott hotels, the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card is a great way to upgrade your stay while also speeding up your point earning for your next award stay. It has a $450 annual fee, indicating that it is aimed at Marriott Bonvoy members who visit the chain's hotels several times a year. If that describes you, you'll be able to get a lot of value out of this card. Pros. Good all around for travel. The Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card is most rewarding when you book Marriott hotel and resort stays because it is a co-branded hotel rewards card. However, because of its reward structure, it's also a good option for charging other travel expenses like airfare and dining and earning a higher than average rewards rate. Annual statement credits and Marriott Bonvoy property credits. A $300 annual statement credit and a $100 Marriott Bonvoy property credit are included in this card's benefits. Each reward year, which begins at the date of account opening, a $300 annual statement credit can be earned on eligible Marriott Bonvoy hotel purchases. The $100 property credit can be earned by charging qualifying purchases at Ritz-Carlton or St. Regis hotels, such as room service or spa treatments. Marriott Bonvoy Platinum Elite status for 1 year. Another significant benefit is 1 year of automatic Platinum Elite status in the Marriott Bonvoy loyalty program. You will have Gold status after 1 year for as long as you keep the card. A 25% Marriott Bonvoy points bonus on eligible stays, enhanced room upgrades, and a 2 p.m. late checkout are just a few of the benefits of Gold Elite status. Cons. No introductory APR. To make initial purchases or balance transfers more affordable, some travel rewards cards offer an introductory 0% APR period. Unfortunately, the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card isn't one of them. All purchases and balance transfers have the same regular variable APR of 15.74% to 24.74% based on creditworthiness. Annual fee. Although paying an annual fee for a travel rewards card isn't unusual, it's important to consider the cost when weighing the benefits you'll receive. The annual fee of $450 places this card firmly in the premium travel rewards category. If you don't travel frequently, it may be difficult to make up the difference in reward value. Only 2 points per dollar at hotels. You'll still earn points on bookings if you stay at hotels that aren't Marriott, but at a much lower rate than if you stay at Marriott hotels. When deciding whether this card is right for you, think about how often you book with Marriott versus other hotel chains. My thoughts on the card. The Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card is best for travelers who value points over miles or cash back and stay at Marriott properties on a regular basis. This might be a good fit for someone who is already a member of the Marriott Bonvoy loyalty program or is looking for a way to boost their rewards earnings so they can get more reward nights. Because of the rewards rate earned on dining and airfare purchases, as well as the fact that it has no foreign transaction fees, this card has potential as an all-around travel card. After spending $3,000 on purchases with your new card in the first 3 months, you can earn 75,000 Marriott Bonvoy bonus points. Plus, within the first 6 months of card membership, earn up to $200 in statement credits for eligible purchases at U.S. restaurants. After your first anniversary of card membership, you'll receive an additional 25,000 bonus points. When it comes to the value of those points, it depends on how they're redeemed. They could, for example, be worth a night or two at the Fairfield Inn and Suites, Manhattan 5th Avenue, which would otherwise cost $616. They could also be used to book a one-night stay at the W New York in Times Square, which would normally set you back $408. The lower the property tier, the more bonus points you can earn. Marriott Bonvoy has 8 hotel reward tiers, and the lower the property tier, the more bonus points you can earn. This card's reward structure is straightforward. Every dollar spent at participating Marriott hotels earns you 6 points. All other purchases earn 2 points per dollar, with 3 points per dollar earned at U.S. restaurants and on flights booked directly with airlines. The card has no restriction on the number of points that can be earned each year. It's worth noting that flights must be booked directly with airlines to earn the 3 points per dollar. When you book through a third-party travel site like Expedia, you'll only get 2 points for every dollar spent. The best way to maximize rewards with the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card, as with many other travel cards, is to be strategic about earning and redeeming points. You could use those points to book at least a few nights at a Category 5 or 7 property, such as the Courtyard in downtown Denver or the Westin Riverfront Mountain Villas in Beaver Creek. The value of those points is determined by how you redeem them. These figures, for example, all assume that you're booking on peak rate nights. Instead, choose standard or off-peak nights to maximize the value of your points. Here are some of the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant's outstanding benefits. Annual statement credit of $300. Marriott Bonvoy property credit of $100. Gold Elite status is granted automatically. Every anniversary year, there is a free room night. Each year, 15 nights are counted toward the next tier of Elite status. Priority Pass members receive complimentary lounge access. Choose TSA or Global Entry. Credit for the pre-check fee. Wi-Fi in your room at a premium. For every dollar spent on eligible purchases at Marriott Bonvoy hotels, you'll earn 6 Marriott Bonvoy points. 3 points if you eat at a restaurant in the US or fly directly with an airline. All other purchases will earn you 2 points. Every year on the anniversary of your card account, you will get a free night. Awards are redeemable for 1 night at participating Marriott Bonvoy hotels. This is a redemption level of 50,000 Marriott Bonvoy points or less. There are resort fees at some hotels. If you're looking for a higher rewards rate on hotel stays and upper tier perks, the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card might be worth the annual fee. It could be beneficial to anyone who is already a Marriott Bonvoy member and wants a simple way to compound points in order to redeem them for reward nights or flights on partner airlines. The fee credit for Global Entry or TSA PreCheck, as well as Priority Pass Select Lounge access, may be appealing to travelers who want to reduce stress and maximize comfort while waiting for flights. This card is clearly not for someone who travels infrequently, doesn't book frequently with Marriott, or isn't willing to pay a higher annual fee to earn travel rewards. It would also be less appealing to someone who wants more freedom in transferring their points to other travel partners. In that case, something like the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, which allows 1-to-1 point transfers, might be more appropriate. Examine your annual spending to see if the card is a good fit. Then calculate the estimated number of points you could earn and how that could translate to redemption value. This can quickly tell you if the card and its associated benefits are worth the $450 annual fee. This wraps up my review of the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express credit card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than y'all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word. And until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.